皆さん、こんにちは。Teren Sensei です。よろしくお願いします。For today's lesson, 皆さん, we will talk about particle o. Right after the object of the sentence, ilalagay natin yung particle o. Basic usage ng particle o, 皆さん, it answers the question what. 例えば, パンを食べる. I eat bread. So ano ba yung kinain niya? Pan. Nihongo o benkyū suru. Nihongo o benkyū shimasu. Ano ba yung pinag-aaralan niya? I study Japanese. Japanese is the direct object of the sentence. Particle o, the thing being acted on. If something is being done to something, use o particle. Place of movement. 例えば、公園を歩きます. I walk through the park. Starting point, 皆さん, with verbs of living. 例えば、uchiを出ます. Basuを降ります. Or basuを降りる. So all in all, 皆さん, basically, ang particle o, direct object of the sentence. Ikaw ay lumabas, kapag ikaw ay bababa, kapag ikaw ay tatawid, particle o. それだけです。頑張ってください、皆さんね。